Hi, welcome to my channel, Pinoy Tuna's Journey USA. What we're gonna do today is we have to cook Chinese fried rice using Basmati rice. So we need 2 cups of Basmati rice. We have to wash this. And we're gonna have to put like 4 cups of water, let it boil for 15 minutes. Cover. While waiting for the basmati rice to be cooked, we have to prepare 3 eggs. I prefer the brown eggs. And I would like to, put some seasoning for this egg. Just a little salt. The pepper. And a garlic powder. Because I want the egg kind of tasteful already when I put it in the Chinese fried rice. The rice we have to pour this. We have to blanch it with cold water. Then drain it and put it on the side. Then we have to cook the egg. So let's put this egg here. We're just gonna have to make it flat so we can slice it straight later. Fold it. So we can slice up later. We're gonna need to mix carrots, corn, the peas, like 3 cups of this. We're gonna need garlic, like 3 cloves garlic. We need some onions. And we need the spring onions too for the garnish. So I've cut it very fine. Then we have to slice the egg. And we have the honey ham. So we're just gonna have to cut it in cubes. All our ingredients are ready and we can start cooking now the chicken fried rice. By the way, please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. We'll have to put a little bit of olive oil. We'll be using a kind of a little bit of butter later. We're gonna start with garlic. And we have the onions. So we have to make sure that the garlic and the onion release a little bit of brown color. We have ham. So while sauteing the ham, we can actually put the butter. Let's put the butter. Let's do like 3 tablespoons. I like it buttery, so. And we can add the vegetables, the carrots, the peas, and the corn. We have to put some pepper, and I want more garlicky. I have to put some garlic powder. Then we have to put the basmati rice. We have to add soy sauce. Let's do 3 tablespoons for now, and then we're just gonna have to check the taste. Let's do 4. And stir and mix well. Let's put the spring onions and the eggs and mix it well. So along the way of our cooking, you have to check the taste. If we a little bit more pepper, salt, but I believe the soy sauce is good enough. So I put 4 tablespoons. So we have to cover this. And let it dry for a little bit. I actually forgot to show you that I also put some Worcestershire sauce. And it's an optional, it's better if you have a sesame oil also. So basically we're gonna have to let it dry, simmer it for another 10 minutes, because you know the basmati rice is not totally cooked earlier. So we have to cover it maybe around 10 minutes. And now it's ready. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Pinoy Teenage Journey. Yummy!
Yeah, yeah.